Assalamu alaikum and greetings for the other religions. How are you, dear students? I think all of you are well. Thank you for watching my online class, watching my video. Dear students, how fortunate we are to have recovered from COVID-19. We are fortunate, we are very fortunate. All of we are now free from the dangerous COVID-19. So thank you for the Almighty Allah who created the world. So I hope all of you are very well. And now we want to our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is question number 3, substitution table. Substitution table, you know well, substitution table. Make 5 sentences using part of sentence from each column of the table below. 3 columns, we know 3 columns, and that was the column number 1. You get it Kumilla board 2016 in your model or any paper. So I write at first the each column. Bangladesh eat the large river, the small one, all the rivers, each has flow can be used. The other, the last one, all the year round, only during the rainy season, only during the rainy season. A riverine country. For various purpose. And the last sentence, a network of many large and small rivers. Thank you. There are 3 columns. How many columns? 3 columns. In the first column or column A, but there is no name in the in our English second paper, and the column name. So the first, second and third. In the first column, Bangladesh eat the large rivers, the small ones, all the rivers. All are subjective form. And in the second column, each has flow can be used. Uh, Look at can be used, only one, not can be or used different, only a single can be used, and all the year round, only during the rainy season, a riverine country, for various purpose, a network of many large and small rivers. 5 sentence, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 minute. We want to 5 meaningful sentence. How many? How many sentence? 5. So there are 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. But verb 4. 1 2 3 4. You know well. At first, we want to try the Bangla meaning of those column, every column. Bangladesh, eat. Bangladesh meaning Bangladesh, eat, and we know well the large rivers. Large means big, or in Bangla, boro. Rivers mean nodi, boro nodi gulo. The large rivers, boro nodi gulo. The small ones, small, teeny, or choto, choto nodi gulo. Small ones, choto choto nodi gulo. All the rivers, all meaning every, all the rivers, সবগুলোই নদী, সব নদীগুলো. Is, has, flow can be used. Is, third person singular number, can take it. Has, also third person singular number. Flow, flow meaning, the Bangla meaning of flow, প্রবাহিত হওয়া, প্রবাহিত, বয়ে যাওয়া. Can be used, can be used, can be used, ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে. The Bangla meaning of can be used, ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে. It only can be used passive voice, passive one. All the rivers or small ones take it a passive voice. All the year round, all the year round. The Bangla meaning of all the year round is সারা বছর, সারা বছর ব্যাপী. The other, only during the rainy season, only during the rainy season. During means time, rainy season, rainy season. We know well rainy season, yeah. Only during rainy season, rainy season, বর্ষাকাল. So the Bangla meaning of the sentence, only during the rainy season, শুধুমাত্র বর্ষাকালে. A riverine country, look at riverine, the word riverine. River, river, river and riverine. Anyone know, do you know the meaning of riverine? Riverine means, the Bangla meaning of the word nodi matrik. Riverine means nodi matrik. A riverine country, একটি নদী মাতৃক দেশ. The other, for various purpose. Various means different. বিভিন্ন, the Bangla meaning of the word various, বিভিন্ন. Purpose, উদ্দেশ্য. For various purpose, অনেক উদ্দেশ্যে বা অনেকগুলো উদ্দেশ্যে. And the last, a network of many large and small rivers. Network means সংযোগ, জাল, of many large and small rivers, অনেকগুলো ছোট এবং বড় নদীর কি বলবো, জাল. Now we want to try 5 meaningful sentence. Every sentence 1 mark. So 5 sentence we make and we got 5 marks. The first, number A, Bangladesh has or is. Bangladesh. Bangladesh obviously is. Bangladesh is a riverine country. Thank you. A. Bangladesh is a riverine country. বাংলাদেশ একটি নদীমাতৃক দেশ। And the second one, now Bangladesh is a riverine country. It, then it, so it is, has, flow, can be used everything, but the meaningful use of the word, it has all the year round, only during the rainy season? No. It's gone for various purpose? No. A network of many large and small rivers. Correct. It has a network of many large and small rivers. The meaning of the sentence: it has a network of many large and small rivers. এর আছে কি আছে? বিস্তৃত জাল। many large and small rivers, ছোট বড় অনেক নদী, শাখা প্রশাখা সমেত অনেক নদী। Now number C, we got two sentence, meaningful sentence, and used Bangladesh is, has, riverine and a network of many large and small rivers. Now we have three objective sentence and two verb and the rest of three subject. Now we want to use the large rivers, meaning বড় নদীগুলো। The large rivers. Flow. When flow, the large rivers flow. Flow means প্রবাহিত হওয়া। Large rivers flow, বড় নদীগুলো প্রবাহিত হয়। When? Time. All the year round or only during rainy season? Look at large rivers, all the year round or only the during rainy season? Yes, all the year round, all the year round. The large rivers flow all the year round. বড় নদীগুলো সারা বছর ধরে প্রবাহিত হয়। The Bangla meaning of the sentence. And now number 4 or number D, we got the small ones. On the other hand, the small ones, the small ones what can flow only the during rainy season? or used, can be used. Yes, small one can be used. The small ones can be used when only during the rainy season. Only during the rainy season. The small ones can be used only during the rainy season. The meaning of the sentence, the small ones can be used. ছোটো নদীগুলো ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে বা ব্যবহৃত হয়। কখন ব্যবহৃত হয় তারা? Only during the rainy season. শুধুমাত্র বর্ষাকালে। So the last sentence, number 5, the rest of the others. The last sentence, or number E, all the rivers. Now only rest all the rivers. So all the rivers meaning বাংলা meaning সকল নদীগুলো, all the rivers সকল নদীগুলো, what flow or can be used. Yes, can be used, ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে, can be used for what? For what they can be used? All the rivers can be used for what? For various purpose. Thank you. For various purpose. সকল নদীগুলোই কিসের জন্য ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে? For what? For various purpose. For various purpose. বিভিন্ন ধরনের উদ্দেশ্যে। So I think all of you understand my lecture, Kumila Board 2016, number 3, question number 3. If anyone has any problem, all of you contact me, and my contact number, you know my contact number, you know already, but now I have used another number that for the students and the guardians, for you and your guardians. The phone number is, contact number is 01318944901. For whom? Only the students and their guardians. Well, thank you, and you know, so my dear students, thank you for watching the online class or watching the video, and I think you have some advantage, and now trying at home, and you will be trying Joshore Board 2016, Rajshahi Board 2016. Those are homework. These are homework. Remember, and so be safe and be healthy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.